Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk about how to do a frontside slappy 50-50 grind into a no comply tail slide. And it's a really easy trick that looks super awesome. It's one of my favorite tricks, competing with slappy Smith grinds. And yeah, here's how you do it. So the first thing you absolutely need to get down is the slappy frontside 50-50 grind. That's half of the trick that I'm not really going to go over in this video. So for the no comply tail slide step, I wouldn't say you really need to know how to do a no comply, just that you need to be familiar with what the concept is. So no comply is when your front foot comes off the board and your back foot stays onto the board. Anything that you do on that with that foot positioning is a no comply. So I would just say get familiar with what a no comply is. You don't really need to know how to do it since you're not popping or anything. So my foot positioning is the same as a 50-50 grind for slappy. Maybe my back foot is a little bit more onto the tail to set up easier, but other than that, there's not really anything special about it. So this is what it looks like after you get onto the curb. So for your front foot, what you want to do is put it down onto the sidewalk, just like that. Your board is still on the curb. Then after that, get your back foot, and what you want to do is pivot it, push down a little bit to your left, which is important, and I'll explain. After that, use your back foot to push yourself, give you a little speed boost, and then just come off it. Alright, so this is why it's important that when you're trying to pivot that tail into a slide position, you want to go pivot to push down and to the left. If you just push down and try to slide, your board's going to look like this, and you're not going to be sliding, you're just going to fall right off. But if you push down to the left, you'll get into slide position. So this is what happens when I just push down and try to slide. And this is what happens when I push down and to the left. Just like that. And then once you have that trick down, there's a bunch of variations you can do, such as 180 outs, or even doing a nose grab as you slide. Right, so that's how you do frontside slappy 50-50 into a no comply tail slide. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching.